Hello. Thank you, Suresh. So, in continuation with the last week education slot taken by Pawan on growth, let's do a quick revision. So, what is growth for all of us here? Can we have some quick answers? What do you mean by growth?
Business.
Okay. Business.
Increase in revenue.
Revenues, okay. Headcount, okay. More answers. What is growth for all of us here? We all come here for some growth, right?
Maybe my satisfaction.
Satisfaction, okay.
Recognition.
Recognition. Fair enough. So growth could be into, if I have to classify, it could be into two, personal and professional growth. Do you agree with me?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. But when we come to BNI, it's all about business growth. Am I right?
Yes.
We have to have a very, very powerful yes.
Yes.
Thank you. So now when we say business growth as you rightly said could be in terms of your revenues, in terms of your new products, your innovation, in terms of going beyond boundaries, expanding your geographies. Absolutely right. All of us are on the same page in terms of growth. Now what is that one factor that is very, very critical that ties the thread for all these goals, be it professional, personal or business growth? Any ideas? Training, okay.
Our participation.
Sorry?
Our participation.
Your participation, okay.
Relationship.
Network, right. All of this, very, very, the base, the foundation, if we really dig deep, it's the quality of thinking. How do we think? It really matters when we aspire to grow. Now, what is this quality of thinking? Now, when I come to BNI, when I started to come to BNI, I thought that, I can only get small ticket size business. That was my thinking. That was my perspective. But then I changed my perspective. I changed my quality of thinking. And I said I can get big ticket business also from BNI. And I got connected to Society General, who is one of our biggest clients today. So it's all about quality of thinking. So the very first thing for any growth orientation is the willingness. Am I willing to grow? Are we all willing to grow here?
Yes.
Absolutely. Very, very critical. So you already have taken the first step towards your growth. Now what is the second step that will ensure that your willingness actually gets executed? What do you have to do now?
Action.
Absolutely. Bang on. You have to take action.
Participate.
So prerequisite is quality of thinking, and what follows that prerequisite is willingness and the action. Let me share a small story with you. There was a woman who was walking in the desert, and for the last 3 days she did not have any water at all. She was about to collapse, and suddenly she sees a fresh lake of water. She thinks, is it actually a fresh lake of water, or I'm just thinking it's a mirage? But she still gathers strength and goes near the lake of water. And to her surprise, it was not a mirage. It was actually a lake of fresh water. And she just keeps looking at the water and says, I'm thirsty. I want to quench my thirst. There passes a man and he sees that lady. And she says, ma'am, why are you just looking at the water? She says, I'm very thirsty and I want to have this entire lake of fresh water. Then he says, go ahead. She says, and she just keeps looking. I want to have this, I want to quench my thirst. I want to have this water. This guy bends down, take a bowl of water and give it to that lady in her mouth. And she says, oh, I'm so happy. I really feel very nice. So if I have to draw learning from this story, this BNI is like that fresh lake of water. We just need to bend down. There are so many opportunities lying here to grow. We have BNI Connect. We have our 30 seconds to present. We have 8 minutes. We have business beyond boundaries. We have trainings. We have band. You name it and it's there. It's on us how we take that one step more forward along with willingness, coupled with action, and realize that which of these would really make sense for me. Or should I use all of these to ensure that I really, really grow the way I want to grow and use the platform so effectively? Do you agree with me? Yes or no?
Yes.
Absolutely. So now, having that, it's very, very important that you make a commitment to yourself right now, right here. Please pen down in your notebook or in your sheet of paper that in next 24 hours, what is that one action that you will take to ensure that you move towards your growth journey? You all have willingness. Now what is that one step, one action that you will take to ensure that you move towards your growth? Pen down guys, I'm telling you, whatever you write today, you will achieve it. Quickly for 2 seconds. Okay. So as the saying goes, well done is always better than well said. Thank you so much for being all ears, dear audience. Thank you so much.